Hello, everyone! Today, I made a vending machine that dispenses drinks when you insert money. Then, shall we start making it together? Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Prepare the template and cut it out. I'll also cut the slot for inserting money with a cutter knife. For the drink dispensing slot, cut only the sides and bottom, excluding the top, and fold it. Cut along the lines and fold along the dotted lines. Put glue on the hard part. Combine it with the vending machine. Cut the cards, fold them in half, and stick them with glue. Drink vending machine complete? Cola, here it is. Soda, here it is. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Subscriptions are love. Well then, see you again next time.